Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to create an engaging animated quiz video using Canva. Whether you're making a general knowledge quiz or something niche like travel, tech, or even industry-specific content, this method is super easy and fun. No experience needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a full quiz ready to share on YouTube, social media, or even use in presentations. Let's jump right in by opening Canva. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up. Step 1. Go to canva.com and log in. Step 2. In the search bar, type YouTube video. Step 3. Click on YouTube video 1920x 1080. Step 4. Choose a template to start from or a blank canvas. Step 5. Click Design and search for quiz template. Step 6. Customize this template. Now, let's create our first question slide. Click on the template page for Customize. Question. Step 2. Go to Page, Question, Animate. Step 3. Choose a subtle animated or static background. Step 4. Add a question text box. For example, what is the capital of France? Not. To keep things clean, let's create clickable-looking multiple-choice options. Step 5. Use rounded square shapes for answer blocks. Tree. Step 6. Copy and paste to create 3 or 4 blocks. Step 7. Add text labels A, B, C, D. Step 8. Write out answer options. For example, Paris, Rome, Berlin, Madrid. You can also color code the right answer with a subtle hint or animate it later. Next up, timers. This makes it interactive and fun. Go to Elements, Timer, and choose a countdown or animated timer. Set the page duration to 10 seconds. Add a small animation to highlight the correct answer, optional. Huge! I like to split the page at the 8-second mark to flash the correct answer. This adds suspense. Use the split page feature. Apply pulse or flicker animation to the correct answer. Make sure animation appears only after the user has had time to answer. Let's preview what we've made so far. Play the full 10-second slide. Nops, looks good? Great! Now let's duplicate the page to create more questions. Use duplicate page. Question swap out, question text and answer options. Add audio clip to match when the question appear, and another audio clip for the answer appearance. Delete all the elements in the page, so that you can download only the audio clips on the page. Now upload the audio page back to the design. Reason: add page, because of the bulk creation app we'll use to generate the remaining questions. Optional: add relevant icons or photos using Elements, Photos. You can quickly build a full quiz now. Looks good? Great! Now let's animate each element on the page, starting with a question. Select the question text, click the 3 dots or more options icon, then choose Show Timing and adjust the appearance timing as needed. Next, click on Option A, go to Show Timing and adjust it to appear after the question. With Option A still selected, click on Animate, then choose an animation style such as Burst, Shift or Typewriter. Adjust the intensity or speed based on your preference. Repeat the same steps for Option B, Option C, and any other elements on the page to keep the flow consistent. In this tutorial, I'll be using DeepSeek, but feel free to use ChatGPT if you prefer. You'll find a ready-made prompt in the video description below. Simply copy and paste it into DeepSeek or ChatGPT to instantly generate quiz questions along with multiple choice options. Now, copy the questions and go back to Canva. Want to make 50-100 quiz slides fast? Canva's Bulk Create tool is a game changer. Go to Apps, Bulk Create. Click Enter, Data, Manually. Clear the table or cells. PA, add your questions and answers in the table. Note: to add the questions, make sure to click on the empty T box, not the column below, understand? Then paste and done. Click Connect Data to link your text boxes. Canva auto-generates slides using your data. 1. This saves hours if you're making long quizzes. Once your quiz is ready, here's how to export and share it. Click Share, Download. Choose MP4 video. Click Download. Tick. Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even use it in classrooms or workshops. 2. And that's it. That's how you make a fun, interactive quiz video using Canva, even if you're just getting started. Like, comment, subscribe. Download quiz templates in the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of quiz you'll be making. And if you want a full tutorial on automating questions with AI like ChatGPT, let me know below.